Permit me to place marriage under customary law in the spotlight today. That is marriage under native law and custom. You know, there are individuals who are married under native law and custom, and they are not even aware that their marriage is legal and is recognized and backed by law. You know, some individuals have used this as a license, you know, to do whatever they like subject their partners to all sorts of inhuman and degrading treatments. You know, they feel they are not accountable to anybody, all because the marriage that they have conducted is under native law and custom. That brings me to the subject of what are the types of marriages that are recognized under Nigerian law. One, you have statutory marriage, which is also the legal marriage that's popular, you know, the one where a certificate is issued. There's marriage under customary law, native law and custom, where you must have paid bride price and satisfy all the conditions, you know, provided by the custom. And there's also marriage under Islamic law. So each of these three categories are backed by law and recognized. And let me tell you, none, in my opinion, is superior to the other. Each of these types of marriages have their unique advantages and disadvantages. You know, it is not in what you have. It's not in the quantity of what you have. It is what you are able to make out of whatever you have available to you. You know, the resources available to you that counts. Now, you can have a statutory marriage, and if the parties do not put in the work, the essence, the benefits of having a legal or a statutory marriage will not even count. Our forefathers, many of them, they had traditional marriage, and they were very successful in their own rights. That is not to, you know, speak less of any of these categories. Truth is that each of these categories, if you look at it categorically, in my opinion, they all have their unique advantages and disadvantages, and none, in my opinion, is superior to the other. However, the rules that apply to the various types of marriages differ significantly. While in the statutory marriage, the laws are there, you know, when the parties have issues that require legal intervention, a lawyer will assist you, approach the High Court of the states. You know, when it comes to Islamic marriage, if there are issues, beautiful system, has its own advantages and disadvantages too, just like everything else. You know, if there are issues, lawyer will assist you. You approach the Sharia courts. And when it comes to our customary marriage, it has its place in the customary courts. So if there are issues in the customary marriage, any customary marriage whatsoever, there's no point subjecting yourself to inhuman and degrading treatments because you feel that, you know, there's no hope for you.